Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on what we're eating for dinner. So the cool thing is I was able to get some vegetables in. You see them here, there's some cabbage here. But I like to do a main course, well not a main course, I'm thinking about lunches, so sorry about that. I like to have a starch, a vegetable, a bean, and a meat. I'm missing the beans because for today, let me push this on over so you can see it. Here's the spaghetti here. And inside the spaghetti, I kept it separate from the noodles because what doesn't get eaten, I'm going to then put beans in it, and we're going to make it a chili. So I didn't put any beans in it for today. So what we have are noodles, and it's whole wheat noodles, and we have some ground beef with cabbage in it, and I also put, I believe, collard in it too. I just blended up some collard and I put it in there. With the sauce, tomato sauce, and it's just regular tomato sauce, and then I went ahead and seasoned it. I used chili, Italian seasoning, garlic and onions, and salt. And then I have some sour cream up top, and then I sprinkled just a little bit of cheese on top of it. You really can't see it because it melted. But here is dinner, and it's good. It's full of protein, and it's full of, goodness, and this is what we're having, except for the sour cream, but hey, don't judge us. So anyway, this is just a quick dinner idea. So you can have spaghetti with cabbage, and you can sneak in some collard if you want to, just blend it on up and then just mix it in with the sauce. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I pray that everyone is doing well and that God is blessing. So let's just make sure we're all doing our praying and know that God is going to take care of us. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.